What's good, ladies and gents? Welcome back to another video. Litecoin is pumping exponentially today. Will it continue pumping, or is it the end? Well, we can see today it's up 11%. It's looking super bullish, really looking strong against Bitcoin and Ethereum. I have no idea what's happened. I've done a bit of research, but let's tackle this together. So without further ado, strap in, strap on, buckle yourself up, put your spacesuit on, because we are going to the moon. And also get yourself into my Discord channel where we're talking about all of the next 10x pre-sales and more. You can find the link just down below, so check it out. So today, Litecoin trading at rank 20. Is it finally going to be a top 20 coin once again? I think it could be. $4.3 billion market cap and 167% increase in that juicy volume. Let's remind ourselves, what is Litecoin? It's forgotten about because it's boring. It's not pumping, right? The cryptocurrency for payments, yet nobody uses the network because it's trash and really slow and really garbage, and it's not even commercial, and they barely market their product, and yeah. But yeah, that is effectively what it is, right? I mean, it's top 20. It does deserve a position in the spotlight, and we should give it some love every now and then. We can see, looking at Litecoin, the Twitter page, lots of bullishness is happening at the moment. There's a nice tweet just here. Global digital peer-to-peer payments company MoneyGram announced that users in the US can buy, sell, and hold Litecoin. So that's a bullish factor. And when we scroll through their Twitter page, we can see that's a tweet right there. 2 hours ago, really bullish pump here, like a little meme sort of giphy thing that they put. Litecoin is pumping massively, really good. And something's happening behind the scenes, guys. They're really starting to pump themselves and generate a bit of FOMO and a bit of hype. So let's see what happens. 19 hours ago, Bitwise, as part of the October month-end index reconstitution process, Litecoin re-entered the Bitwise 10x Bitcoin crypto index. That's also really good too. Just loads of bullishness, partnerships. The third Litecoin halving. Is that something that's going to be happening soon? Let's have a little look. It says right here, in 2023, Litecoin will be experiencing its third halving event, undergoing a 50% reduction in the amount of newly minted Litecoin. That's really important. So at the moment, there are 12.5 Litecoins are issued every 2.5 minutes on average after the halving. The 12.5 will be reduced to 6.25, swallowing my own tongue up here. This is a historic event that will occur every 4 years until eventually there are no more Litecoins left to mine. That's just like Bitcoin halving event, guys. So this is really good. It constricts the supply. It reduces the rate of which the supply is going into the ecosystem. Less is being mined. That means it's more of a scarce resource, and in turn the value should increase over time. So that's really nice. I'm happy I looked down the Twitter page. I wouldn't have spotted that lovely one. Can I get a subscribe, please, for putting my heart and soul into these videos? Thanks. What else is going on? So Litecoin, the price, we can see major downtrend, and looking from 2018, we went into a major downtrend. Let's have a little look. Where is my price range? There we go. So we corrected a whopping 94%. The current bull market that we see today corrected 90%. So, if history repeats itself, guys, and usually it does with cryptocurrency, if you accumulate around these nice levels here and here, you could anticipate by the next bull run, we're going to see another pump to the upside. So in my opinion, whilst I think there's not really much going on for 2022 or 2023 for Litecoin, it does look like we're in a really healthy undervaluation reaccumulation range where you can snap up and grab more Litecoin to hold over the next 2 or 3 years if you are a long-term investor. Now, maybe you're someone that's not a long-term investor and you want to expose yourself to high-value opportunities quickly. Well, I've got some crypto magic for you. And this it boils down to 3 pre-sales. We looked at 2 pre-sales on this channel recently. They did a 20x and a 7.5x, but the first one is Calvaria, a play-to-earn battle card game, which is totally awesome. By the way, you should check out their website down below. The next one is my favorite of the 3, Dash to Trade. Dash to Trade provides crypto trading signals, predictions, and social analytics to help traders make informed decisions. As we can see, they've raised $4.2 million already. That's pretty crazy, to be honest, guys. Featured in many flagship news and publishing sites, which is very important. They're fully KYC'd. They're solid proof audited too, so we can actually trust these platforms. I'm only ever going to talk about pre-sales worth talking about that are trusted. I'm not just going to shill any old nonsensical pre-sale that I have no belief in. The third one is going to be the IMPT token, which is really, really bullish as well. They've raised almost $12 million, sold 649 million tokens already in like 4 weeks. So this is also on track to sell out pretty fast. So there you go, guys. 3 high value opportunities that you can explore. Come and say hi in the Discord and talk about them too. This is where we've got leverage trading signals and much, much more going on. I really would love to see you there. You can see the VIP pre-sales section. We're talking about the pre-sales and also the crypto pre-sales tab here. Tamadoge, IMPT, Dash to Trade, and Calvary are those 3 that we just looked at. So please do come and join the community. Don't be shy. Come say hi. I'd love to see you there. And bye for now.